Oh, good morning. It is currently 4:15 a.m. It was a real struggle getting up this morning. There was a big part of me that did not want to get up and just wanted to go back to sleep, but ultimately I decided these are the perks of being a cast member, and I really wanted to take advantage of it, and I knew that I would probably regret it if I didn't get up. And it'll also only be like an hour because it starts at 5:30 and they're like, run time is under 10 minutes. And then I'll just come back home and go back to sleep at that point. So I made it to the car at least. I'm wearing my new shirt. It's super comfy. I'm very happy with it, but I'm heading over to Disney Springs now. I'm so tired, but I am excited to see this. Okay, so this morning I am heading over to Disney Springs to watch the cast preview of the new drone show that's coming to Disney Springs. I believe it's called Dreams That Soar. And of course, because it's a night show, but Disney Springs is kind of a nightlife kind of place, the preview is taking place early in the morning because it has to be dark for the drones, but you know, can't have guests and stuff. So I am heading over there to park, and then hopefully we'll get to check it out. It looks really cool and I'm really excited. I hope it's like kind of a stepping stone towards utilizing drones and maybe like future shows and stuff. But yeah, I'm really excited. So let's head over there.
Unleash your heart, let your imagination fly, and discover just where you'll go as we present Disney Dreams That Soar.
Here we go! There it is, Wendy. Second star to the right, straight on till morning. The ninth wonder of the universe! The world's only flying elephant! Dumbo! Look! Look, Diggity! They're flying! They're flying! Wait till we get to the big town!
Adventure out there! The wilderness must be explored!
My name is Doug. I have just met you, and I love you.
Dante, you are a real spirit guide! Who's the good spirit guide? You are! Whoa!
I want to learn the ways of the Force and become a Jedi like my father.
You've taken your first step into a larger world. That's no moon. It's a space station.
All wings report in.
Red 5 standing by.
Fire! Coming in, point 3.
Watch that crossfire, boys.
Watch it, you've got one on your tail.
I have you now.
Come in, primary ignition.
Use the Force, Luke.
The Force is strong with this one.
You're all clear, kid. Now let's pull this thing and go home.
The Force will be with you. Always.
Hello, I am Baymax, your personal healthcare companion. Baymax, wings. Thrusters. Flying makes me a better healthcare companion.
Hey, you know what? There's another name you might know me by.
Star-Lord.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy. Dance off, bro.
Come on, Drax. Dance.
There are two types of beings in the universe. Those who dance and those who do not.
I'm Mary Poppins, y'all.
I'm gonna die surrounded by the biggest idiots in the galaxy.
Did that look cool?
Yeah, that looked cool.
To infinity and beyond.
There's a place beyond the sky where your stories come alive. And with a leap of faith, you might find your spirit guide.
A whole new world full of hope, where new beginnings never get old. You can light the way that seems impossible.
If you're feeling small, you can fly away. A new adventure's coming your way. And tomorrow's always brighter than yesterday. Let's go!
Right where you wanna be,
Where the magic feels like family. And you can wish upon a star and never look back. Let's go to the place where dreams come true.
you can be you and the hero too.
This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Just imagine where you go with dreams that soar.
Use the thunder in your heart to prepare you for the dark. Because the path you take ends far from where you start. When it's time to spread your wings, you'll see that everything's in reach. You can change the world if you just believe. If you're feeling small, you can fly away.
A new adventure's coming your way.
And tomorrow's always brighter than yesterday.
Let's go
Right where you wanna be,
where the magic feels like family.
and you can wish upon a star
And never look back. Let's go to the place where dreams come true. You can be you and the hero too. This is the
limit to how far you can go when you have dreams that soar.
Friends, thank you for joining us for this exclusive preview of Disney Dreams That Soar. As you continue to be the magic makers for our guests, don't forget about your own dreams and be inspired to reach new heights. There's a place beyond the sky.
I am absolutely mind blown. That was so cool. I can already tell you right now, I've watched back some of the video. The video does not do it justice. And I feel like that is like said often, but it really does not. That was so cool. That was just so cool. I don't even know. I'm speechless right now because it was so cool. I'm really excited for this. And again, I hope this is kind of like a test run, seeing how well this goes, how popular it is, how easy it is to maintain and integrate. Because if they could integrate some of this stuff, like the drone stuff, into some of their other productions, I think it would be just absolutely incredible because it was so cool. Yeah, it was such a cute show too. Like, not only just like so cool to watch, but you know, as Disney does with their storytelling, it was really, really cute. I like the music that they put it to. It was a really nice soundtrack. I would highly recommend it. It's one of those things where, you know, if you were one of those people or one of those families that like Disney Springs was always like a toss-up, but you wouldn't necessarily plan like a day to go. I'm not gonna say that like this alone would change that, but like it might. It was really cool. It's one that, you know, if my family comes, which my family is actually planning on coming in June. It's currently May. They're coming next month. I think we might have to carve out an evening and come and watch it because it was so cool. So cute. A lot of fun. It was also really nice because this was cast preview. They added a little like special thing at the end just for us with like the Disney Cast Life logo, and you know, just kind of like a thank you for all that you do, because cast members really are the magic. Disney World would not be as magical as it is without the cast members, and that was something else that this experience really like solidified or like reinforced for me, because I don't know, I feel like there's a lot of people that are like, you know, obviously to some degree like you have to like Disney to work here, but I think there's a lot of people that are like, oh, like do cast members really care that much about Disney, you know, or is it, you know, just another job or whatever. But it's like events like these that it becomes really obvious, because you can just hear the reaction from all of us and other people that I'm like surrounded by as the show was happening. Not just because like when it first started, of course everybody was like, oh my gosh, because the way the drones look and what they can do is just so cool. But it was just like so heartwarming and wholesome, because as the show would go on, different characters would like, you know, come up, and everybody, you would just hear so many people get excited. Like, you know, Baymax comes up and everybody's like, oh my gosh, Baymax. Or, you know, there was like a Star Wars theme and everybody was like, oh, that's so cool. Or one was Genie, like Genie popped up and everyone was like, oh my gosh, it's Genie. Like, you would just hear the excitement. And most cast members love Disney just as much, if not more, than our guests, and it's why we do what we do. And so it was just, honestly, it was so sweet to hear just everybody getting excited, seeing all their favorite Disney characters, seeing the show. But so cool. We did get our little like VIP Disney Dreams That Soar little cards. Anyway, so cool. Highly recommend if you have a trip coming up, if you can carve out an evening to come to Disney Springs, because that was so cool. Just so cool. It's currently, what time is it now? I don't know, the car's not on. Okay, it's currently 6. I've just been waiting for the parking lot to die down because, you know, we all left at the same time. But I should be able to get out of here relatively quickly and then head back home. I will probably crash. Luckily, like I said, I only have a 4-hour training shift today, so it shouldn't be too bad, and I have night shifts for the rest of the week, so I can sleep in. So it kind of worked out. I really did not want to get up this morning, but I'm so glad I did, because that was worth it. All right, let's see if I can get out of here.